This is Elton Kane for Finextra at Cybos, and I'm here with Satvinder Singh of Deutsche Bank talking about the global transaction banking business and cash and security services in particular. Satvinder, Deutsche Bank earlier this year announced some significant investments in its global transaction banking business. Can you provide some details on that?
Good morning. In 2015, when we announced Strategy 2015, the bank was very clear. It wanted a transaction banking pillar, and they were investing in people, balance sheet, and technology. When we earlier this year announced Strategy 2020, the bank reaffirmed its commitment to the transactional bank. We very clearly articulated this was one of the two growth pillars of the organization. This, along with our asset and wealth management business, was the area where the bank saw further upside. And in order to tap that upside, the bank was willing to commit up to $1 billion in technology spent, more resources in terms of people, and an additional balance sheet for the transactional bank to grow.
Within your particular area, institutional cash and securities services, what does this investment mean?
Sure. In the securities and cash space, what we've done is we've reconfigured the organization. We're a lot more client-centric than we've ever been. The investor segment, the institutional cash segment, and the issuer segment. These are the three client segments we have. We have a coverage unit that interacts with clients on a segmental basis, so broker-dealers, asset managers, sovereign wealth funds, NBFIs. So that's our client-facing organization. What we really want from an investment perspective, and a part of that $1 billion is going to go into the regulatory spend, into capacity creation, into scalability, but really into new idea generation. So that's where the $1 billion is going to go. We're going to invest in talent. We continuously develop internal talent. We're always looking for external talent to join our platform, and we're really going to get a lot more client-centric. The opportunities are in all three regions. We see significant growth in Asia, we see significant growth in the Americas, and Europe is our home.
In the Asian region, in particular with Cybos being in Singapore this year, I'd be interested to hear about what the kind of challenges are in regulatory and opportunities for growth in the area as well.
Sure. If you look at Asia over the last couple of years, we've had some amazing initiatives that have been coming in from a regulatory or infrastructure perspective. The whole ASEAN region and the infrastructure that's been created over there, the Hong Kong-China Stock Connect, the opening up of the Chinese market, fundamental changes that we're perfectly positioned to tap into. So as our clients, both offshore clients investing in Asia and Asian clients going offshore, as we look at both sets of client segments, we want to be there for them. We have an extensive network in Asia. We have branches which are probably some of our best branches. If you look at India, Indonesia, China, Malaysia, long-standing presence, amazing talent on the ground, very connected with the local infrastructure, and that's what our clients buy from us.